No. E10 isn't it normally? Hold on a sec. What's the most cheapest one?
E10's one, isn't it?
Yeah.
E10.
Yeah, E10. No, it looks closed, doesn't it? All lit up. Yeah, I got it on film, so. Did you swear? You're
a naughty boy, Terry.
Let's get out, you Rog. You want only €5 each. Today is your birthday? Yes, look at you again. Yeah, speed limit. 150 miles an hour. Just 50 miles an hour. We'll get it in the middle. I know, stop and have a chat about where we want to go and all that. I can't see now, how are we doing? How are we going to go through? Does it look like a die? His engine's too big. I know, you paid for it all. Do you have to take a bench down or something? Don't go back. No. Just one way, go. Cameras everywhere. Hey, 24, so why?
What are you looking for? Are you looking for hotels?
Yeah.
Dad is very tired.
Right in the start.
You're looking for
Dad
fuel,
also needs fuel.
Is that
Do you want to get fuel before we leave the island?
It's probably dearer on the island.
Got quarter.
It was 190.
Yeah,
No,
so
got
same
got quarter tank. I have to
119.
get off.
Oh, right.
I'd like one for
Like about half a tank, so I'm gonna need some.
You could have.
Yeah.
I'll have half yours.
That one sounds good, though, huh?
Yeah, let's see if I can find it again.
We've got a double one of them in my house.
Hotel.
Double called an egg chair.
Hotel.
What, in your garden or?
Yeah, on a patio at the back.
Find
What do you
out.
want? It's like a thing like this.
It's like that, not like that, but a double one.
Les
Got two
Sables.
in there.
Oh, you want Google Maps?
Love chair.
No, I'm
Is it like
looking
two
for
eggs
it.
stuck
Egg
together?
chair.
You want
Yeah.
one big one?
Google Maps.
One
is
big
that what
one.
you
Oh
said?
yes,
Try
yes.
find it.
See how far away it is.
Don't make you roll
I got it
together.
from B&M
So it
Bargains.
seems to be right.
Someone said they were there.
Home
Right,
Bargains.
rushed down.
Needs more.
What's the one in Western?
And the Sables where we want to be.
Yeah,
Sanitation.
yeah, where-
Sanitation.
where is it?
B&M
Oh,
B&M
yeah,
Bargains.
yeah.
I got it in
Used to be
there.
focused.
Yeah.
And there's one around us with that one spot for that. And there's one for the orange doing that.
Private parking is possible on site. Reservation is needed and costs €16 a day.
They drink.
Park.
That's not
Yeah,
good, though,
but
is
you
it?
can park for the bikes. So you can park 3 bikes to 1 car, can't you?
Yeah.
So it's not even too bad. Our bikes probably don't. They don't charge bikes, do they?
No, sir, one less than electric.
There's the.
Did anything of just, if there's a toll bridge going up, we'll just pay to get in?
I think you just pay coming in. I think. I don't know.
I just want to pay attention to it.
They usually break the rest of the barrier.
Well, I'm just trying to make sure.
If they got
Are you
any
looking
sense,
on
you just pay the one way, wouldn't you?
booking.com?
Yeah.
You gotta come in, you gotta go up like the 7
And you're just doing a general
I think
search.
it's
Yeah.
automatic to
The
let
only-
you
the only
out,
thing with
so
this
you
one is
pull
the
up
other
and then
one,
they let you out.
You
Not
could pay it, you could just
get out.
reserve
Well,
it
that's
and pay
the
it.
thing,
And
yeah.
this one I've
So
got to
it'd be a
pay.
better idea if we book something
I can book and pay.
before
I
we
haven't-
go.
I haven't got a problem booking and paying for it now,
There
as
is a
long as we
barrier.
find parking and that.
Yeah,
I think it's done. The police want to stop
it's
you.
a
or
major place.
Try to break the law by going 2 at a time.
Right, so it's 3
Park,
cosy
I
rooms. It's a recommended for 8
Set the alarm
adults.
off.
£312. Shall I book it? Book it and pay for it?
Hang for you.
Well, what about finding some of the park though?
There's always something. As long as you're not too fussy. I wouldn't leave it in Wilson Road.
Is that Ely?
Oh.
Is that easy?
Don't tell me George got upset.
Yeah.
You probably have.
Dad'll
Fancy
go
scooter
going
outside.
in Marcross Road in Ely.
That's not in the
That's
start.
the work on the
No,
other
it's
week
not.
is hanging.
But someone's living in it.
I don't know. No, he's got a tenant in there.
Yeah, cool.
He was he?
Holiday home.
Not on the beach.
In that one in Macross Road.
Is this one on the beach or you're on the boat?
This one, it's on the marina.
It's on the
By the
marina.
looks of it, by the maps, it's where all the boats are.
Okay.
I mean,
As long as we can pass.
Yeah, but then do we just wing it and just get there, or can you ring them and ask them any questions?
What do you want to know, George? I'll tell you.
No, because you'll say I don't know, and I don't know, and I don't know.
I don't know.
Well, I think it'd be safer to
You don't know.
book one than we
Whatever.
don't
I'll reserve them and then
Which one is it?
I'll final
book it.
step.
Then we definitely know when we get there.
300.
Yeah, I'm just worried about parking the
Are
bikes.
you looking at that one?
And it's the miles
Yeah.
away.
But if you were a seafarer, you would charge us a nice boat for the night.
I would.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing.
It's through 6 now.
If you don't know, say I don't
I
know.
don't know.
That's a mile from the centre.
You go in the direction
That
of the
one there
point.
is 200 yards from
Point,
the
yeah,
centre on
yeah.
the beach roads.
It gets confusing. We've got 2 points.
Yeah.
We need a sea view, do we?
Well,
What's the advantage?
Right.
Oh,
I'm going to book it. I'm going to pay for it on Apple Pay, right?
We don't
Yeah.
take the process. If I've got
300
this.
353 euros.
Oh, okay.
Sorted.
You're very naughty.
Oh, actually, it's come at £302. 353 euros.
What was the last one we did there?
It was
More than that.
right. Shall I give you the postcode?
Not yet, I can't do it. You know, I've got to avoid tolls on my phone.
€4 each.
You got what?
I've got to avoid tolls on my phone.
Tonto, that thing on your nose is growing. Man up, Terry. Good boy.
Know what it is, Dave? Is that hotel over there? Hotel. on sale. That's correct, half on sale, that's the one. I don't know where we park. Where? Alright. Third attempt. Hey, I can see the sign for the hotel down there, and I can see it on the sat nav. And we went down our door, we just turned left, you know. Yeah, if you can, you can do it.